Namaste. In this video, you will learn 2 ways to split a large design into 2 panels with a common overlap. First, I'll show you how to do it manually in Adobe Illustrator. And then, I will show you a method using Claude AI.
Oh my god! Wow!
Let's make new document with 120 by 72 inches, which is size of our design. Let's place our design, go to File, Place. Choose your design, and click on Place button. Click left mouse button, and align with artboard. Let's move design to the outside the artboard. We are going to split this design on half. First select artboard. So, let's split the 120-inch width artboard into 2 60-inch halves. Alt plus Shift plus drag left mouse button to duplicate artboard. Align 2 artboards perfectly. To do that, go to Window, Artboards. Click on 3 lines from Artboards panel, and choose Rearrange all artboards. Make spacing 0, and click on OK. Now, let's add a 1-inch shared overlap area, for gluing the 2 halves together. Select the left reference point, to ensure the artboard only extends to the right. And add 0.5 inches to its width. Select second artboard, and repeat same process but this time select right reference point. And add 0.5 inches to its width. Now this 1-inch width will be common on both pages. This is just a reference, so we don't need it. Let's delete it. Let's align our design to artboard. That's it. Now, we can save it as a PDF. Give name of PDF and choose your required settings. Now, let's do this, with help of Claude AI. Log into Claude AI. Give our original 120 by 72 inches file. And give prompt. My prompt is, please split this design into 2 separate panels. The original artwork size is 120 inches width times 72 height. Create 2 PDF files, each measuring 61 inches times 72. With a 1-inch common overlap between the panels for gluing after printing. It gives me options, and I have chosen keep 1-inch overlap, results in 60.5-inch wide panels.
A few moments later.
It creates 2 PDF files automatically, and everything looks correct. I have downloaded the PDF. Let's check both files together. First, I will create a new document that's 120 inches wide and 150 inches tall. And place the file that created with Illustrator. Place both page 1 and page 2. Let's align page 1 to the top left of the artboard and page 2 to the top right. Now let's place file that generated by Claude AI. Page 1 and page 2. Align page 1 to the bottom left of the artboard and page 2 to the bottom right. As you can see, both methods give the same and perfect result.